Welcome to the course structure of Getting Market Data. This course has 6 distinct parts, each divided into different sections. The first part gives you an overview of the course and how it is structured. The second part takes a look at market data and how to retrieve price information of various assets. You will get an in-depth understanding of retrieving data of equities, which includes stocks and stock indices. You will also learn to retrieve price data of forex, cryptocurrencies, and derivatives, which include futures and options. In the third part, we will focus on a company's financial data, starting with its fundamental data, such as balance sheet and income statement. You will be able to retrieve and calculate various ratios such as return on equity and debt to equity. You will also retrieve the analyst's recommendations and the earnings calendar. Further, you will retrieve corporate actions undertaken by the company in the form of dividend payout or stock splits. And finally, you would also see who are the institutional investors in the company. This will give you a holistic view of a particular company. Apart from the company-specific information, you should also look at the big picture. Thus, the fourth part focuses on the economic data of a region. You will understand how to retrieve the macroeconomic data, which includes the GDP, inflation, and interest rates. This ensures that you would have a rough idea of how the economy is progressing as well. Recently, social media has become a platform for enthusiastic voices all over the globe. These have an effect on the asset prices as well. Thus, the fifth section focuses on the retrieval of unstructured data such as news and tweets. Finally, we focus on an important part of data processing, which is data quality checks and data cleaning. This ensures that our data does not have any inconsistency which could give us an incorrect analysis. All the code and data files used in this course are available in the downloadable unit of the last section of this course.